It's going to be a 10-minute guides for you to know how to choose the right country and right university for you. Let's begin. Who should consider MBBS abroad? So 3 students I would say. Number 1, a student who didn't crack NEET. Number 2, student who can't afford private Indian medical college. Number 3, people who want global exposure and something new and different lifestyle. So I fulfill these 3 aspects and I'm here in Uzbekistan. So choose now. What are the top countries for MBBS abroad? Now if you have decided that you are going to abroad, then I would say Uzbekistan, Russia, Georgia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Armenia, and now we have Nepal and Bangladesh also. These are the countries which are budget friendly for middle class and you can afford them. The thing is, you have to learn local languages and you have to adjust with their culture if you want to. Then if you are ready to have something new, then this is it for you. Now you have decided your country or not, doesn't matter. So what is the admission process now? If you have decided your country or not, go for the agency or the authentic counseling agency, study abroad agency. First, you just need 4 documents: your mark sheet, 10th, 12th, then your passport, and of course your NEET score. Without NEET score, you can't go. You just have qualification marks. Now the process in hands of your agency which you have chosen. They will do the every work for you, and now go pack your suitcase and get ready to go abroad. Get ready for the new culture, new exposure you are going to face. Now, what is the step-to-step admission process? Now, if you have decided your country, now give your documents. Only 4 documents are required: your passport, obviously, your mark sheets, 10th and 12th, and your NEET scorecard, and you have to be qualified in that. After that, your documents will go to the university and you will have your admission letter in few days. As soon as you got your letter, just pack your baggage and get ready to leave for airport. Now, what is the duration of the course? Generally, they have 6 years of program where it's a 5 years of study and 1 year internship. So 6 years of complete. And what after MBBS? What I'm gonna do after 6 years? After 6 years, if you want to come back to India, just give next or FMG exam to get a license in India to practice. And if you want to go another country to do your masters, then it's up to you. And what is the total cost of those courses? For total 6-year course, you will have normal 25 to 35 lakhs for complete 6-year package. And it include your food, your hostel, your tuition fee and all. So 35 lakh max to complete your degree. Courses are English taught, but of course you have to learn local languages like Russian if you are going to Russia or Uzbekistan, because you have to interact with your patient. Other than that, you will have some cultural shock like I got, like they don't have spices. I think it's not that a big deal, but still. Other than that, in Russia you will face winters, you have weathers and all. So in some countries you will have extreme weather, so be prepared for that and choose your country wisely. That's why I'm saying choose and think deeply. You have to adjust with new environment, but if you have a dream, you have to go for it. Do and go get a new life. Thank you for watching this video.